Trike riders need to be good race drivers as well as good athletes nowadays. Understanding safe cornering improves your lap speed and makes for better racing. Why go fast down the straight if you can't take the corners? Fast trikes with correct race lines race well. Race drivers research and practice all corners, and trike riders need to do the same.
The best line through any corner is the one that puts the least strain on the tyres. Be smooth and progressive in your steering and aim for a late entry out wide. Hit your imaginary apex approximately 65-75% into the corner, and remember to relax the steering angle as you exit. A fast trike entering a corner too early will lead to a wrong race line. This upsets the balance of the vehicle and can cause collisions and flipping. At Turn 1 Victoria Park, it is recommended slow trikes remain to the left. Slower trike riders should not use all of the track and leave room either side for faster trikes to pass safely. Trikes are more unstable than four-wheelers as the rear wheel is a pivot point. If you're going too fast with the wrong line or aggressive steering in the corner, the inside wheel will lift, it will raise the nose, catch air and usually tip or roll. It is important for novice riders in faster trikes to get their race line correct, to avoid collisions where possible and avoid damaging the vehicle. Also for slower and intermediate riders to understand that fast trikes want a clean and smooth race and don't wish to ever collide with any other trikes.
Planning for the corner starts as you're going down the straight. Ensure you know what trikes are ahead of you and be prepared for what trikes are behind you by checking your mirrors. Gradually move to the left side of the track. Ensure the track is green, checking lights and flags. Stop pedaling, look through the corner and concentrate on what's ahead of you. If there are slower trikes, use your horn to indicate you are passing. This tells them to hold their line. Enter from the left of the track, leave a trike width on the outside, look through the corner before you turn in. Be aware of potential hazards. Change your line or take evasive action. Don't be afraid to use the brakes to slow yourself down, to avoid a collision or a rollover. Smoothly steer through the corner, all three wheels on the ground. As you pass your apex 65 to 75% through the corner, ease off the steering and start pedaling. Maintain awareness of other trikes and avoid collisions. If the track is under yellow, proceed with caution, slow down, be aware of marshals and ride safely.
If all riders take the correct race line, it keeps you, other riders, marshals and the vehicle safe. Understanding safe cornering improves your lap speed and makes for better racing. If you get your race line correct, we'll all have fun and safe racing.